funny thing, what I did is I replaced the PCB bulb, and I thought that I record the whole process, but I didn't. Something happened with my phone that I didn't actually record the process. So this is what we do. We remove this cover by pulling it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 4 pins. So pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so. And then this is what we are going to replace. This is what we are going to work on. So we are gonna need, obviously, the PCB bulb, maybe some pliers. In my case, I didn't need pliers because this thing is not really that hard to press on and to move. In order to remove the hose, we need to kind of like get this thing loose. So get it out of place, then pull the hose out. On the side, pause. And then I'm gonna grab my 19mm wrench and I'm going to loosen like so. And once it's kind of loose that you can take it out by hand, you can proceed to loosen. Now again, this is the new one that I just put in. Let me show you the old one right here. Okay, so here is the number for that part, which is the same number located here, I believe. Right there. So exactly the same number. There is really not much more to do here, but to just put the new bulb in. We're gonna put the new one like so. Thread by hand as far as you can, and then use the wrench. Try not to over tie this thing because you might damage the threads from the bulb or on the housing. We don't want to do that. So once it's set, put this hose back in, and then your clamp, reset it where it was originally, like so. And that's about it. Pretty easy. Now the service department suggested that I replace this, and they wanted to charge like $89, I think, and I got it from the dealer. It cost me less than $8, and I was able to install it myself. So we are here trying to save some money, right? Now let me put the cover back. All we have to do is just align those pins, 4 pins, to this hose right here, and you can use the oil cap as reference right there. Just kind of make it fall into place, and then we're going to gently. We are going to press down 1, 2, 3, and 4. You could want to do 2 at a time, that's fine. And that's about it. Replace the PCB bulb. Thank you.